Stars are singing high above, a symphony of endless love. The heavens glow, the earth replies. Your glory floods these open skies. The night is young, our hearts are free. Your spirit flows like melody. Every breath a holy sound, as heaven's echo fills the ground. And we can feel the sky awake. Every soul begins to shake. Echoes of heaven loud and clear. Every heart can feel you near. Through the dark, through the night, we are burning in your light. Echoes of heaven high and wide. Faith and fire side by side. Every sound, every flame lifts the power of your name. The rhythm builds the crowd to life. Your presence sparks, we come alive. The air is warm, the ground will shake. Your holy thunder starts to wake. The world is bright, the stars align. We lift our souls beyond the time. Your love resounds in every tone. This light reminds we're never alone. The sound of praise, the skies aglow. Your heaven moves, your mercy flows. Echoes of heaven loud and clear. Every heart can feel you near. Through the dark, through the night, we are burning in your light. Echoes of heaven high and wide. Faith and fire side by side. Every sound, every flame lifts the power of your name. You open doors the stars can't close. Your spirit breathes and freedom flows. The world stands still, the angels sing. Your name restores everything. Echoes of heaven shine so bright. Fill the earth with holy light. Every soul, every sea sings your grace eternally. Echoes of heaven, pure and true. Every song returns to you. Every heart, every flame glorifies your endless name. The night is done, the stars remain. Echoes of heaven call your name.
The night is bright, your love shines through. The stars align because of you. The heavens sing, the crowd lifts high. Your glory lights the midnight sky. The rhythm beats, my heart's awake. The chains are gone, the ground will shake. I'll raise my hands, I shout your name. Forever free, I'll praise the same. Light the fire, let it glow. Let the world and heavens know. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul you show. Your spirit moves, your people rise. We see your glory in our eyes. Shine forever, we are free. Heaven sings in harmony. Every flame, every cry sends your praise across the sky. Shine forever, bright and true. All the light comes back to you. Every star, every soul burns your name and makes us The night is done, the dawn will show, but in our hearts, you still glow. The lights are bright, the night is warm. Your love is here, it takes new form. My feet can't stop, my heart's alive. Your spirit moves, I come alive. The rhythm calls, I feel your peace. The chains are gone, I'm finally free. The joy you bring will never fade. I dance upon the grace you made. I won't stay silent, I won't hide. Your fire burns from deep inside. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Down, down, down. Dancing in grace, we are free. All for you, eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. The sunrise paints the clouds with gold. Your faithfulness will not grow old. The world rejoices, hearts renewed. Creation sings, God, you are good. The laughter rings, the crowd unites. Your spirit floods these city lights. The sound of hope begins to play. We're dancing free in endless praise. I feel the wind, I hear the sound of heaven's joy all around. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name spirit in the tide. The waves are moving, hearts awake. A holy storm that you create. The water shines, the night is clear. Your power draws me closer here. I hear the sound of heaven's voice. It calls my soul to rise, rejoice. And like the tide, you pull me near. Your mercy flows, my heart can hear. Spirit tide, rushing deep, fill the world, my soul will keep. Every breath, every flame burns forever in your name. Spirit tide, rise again, wash away the hearts of men. Every wave, every cry carries love that never The shore is bright, the night's alive. I feel your grace electrify. The heavens dance, the stars proclaim the power flowing through your name. The rhythm moves, my heart restored. Your glory crashes like a storm. The tide of love begins to rise, and heaven opens in my eyes. Your spirit breathes through sea and air. I feel your presence everywhere. Spirit tide, rushing deep, fill the world, my soul will keep. Every breath, every flame burns forever in your name. Spirit tide, rise again, wash away the hearts of men. Every wave, every cry carries love that never Let your waves roll through this place. Holy fire, unending grace. Every soul awaken now. Your presence falls, we make this vow. Let your waves roll through this place. Holy fire, unending grace. Every soul awaken now. Your presence falls, we make this vow. Spirit tide, flood the ground. Every heart in you is found. Every flame, every sound. Heaven's love is all around. Spirit tide, pure and free. You are all we'll ever need. Every wave, every cry shouts your glory to the sky. The tide will rise, your truth remains. Your spirit flows through all my veins. The dawn breaks out across the sea. A brand new world you've given me. My heart revived, my fear undone. I'm standing here, the day's begun. The golden air, the colors rise. Your mercy paints the morning skies. I lift my hands, I feel your flame. Alive again in Jesus' name. And now I see, I start to breathe. Your spirit moves inside of me. I'm heart restored. Your grace is all I'm living for. The winds of peace begin to blow. Your presence shines, I overflow. The shadows fade, the world is new. I'm running home, my soul with you. The mountains rise, the rivers sing. New life flows in everything. Your voice is calming, calls my name. Your mercy burns like holy flame. I'm alive again, burning bright, free at last in morning light. Every tear, every chain, washed away by love again. I'm alive again, pure and free. Heaven's fire inside of me. Every sound, every flame sings the glory of your name. You break my night, you make me whole. You breathe your life into my soul. The sun will rise, my heart will sing. You are my light, my everything. I'm alive again, hearts awake. Faith and love will overtake. Every soul, every cry lifts your praise to touch the sky. I'm alive again, pure and free. Your spirit reigns inside of me. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy The dawn will rise, the past will end. In your love I live again. The morning breaks, the dark is gone. The light of grace is shining strong. The earth awakens, hearts arise. Your spirit burns across the skies. The sound of joy, the air so clean. The hope of heaven floods the scene. I lift my eyes, I feel you near. The dawn of faith is finally here. I'm alive, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every flame. Daybreak of faith, we come alive. Rising hope beneath the sky. Every tear, every pain washed away in your name. Daybreak of faith, hearts ignite. Shining love in morning light. Every soul, every sound, heaven's fire all around. The golden glow upon the waves reminds the world of love that saves. The rhythm moves, the world is new. Creation sings because of you. The drums of joy, the hearts that beat, awaken grace beneath our feet. The day begins, the night is done. Your victory shines like the sun. Your kingdom comes, your truth remains. Your glory running through our veins. Daybreak of faith, we come alive. Rising hope beneath the sky. our faith is new. This is your day. The night is still, the stars awake. I see your light begin to break. The heavens glow, the earth will sing. Our hearts alive in everything. Your spirit moves from heart to heart, igniting faith in every part. The air is warm, your love ascends, a song of joy that never ends. And I can feel your glory fall. It's rising up, consuming all. Glory rising through the night. Fill the world with holy light. Every flame, every sound lifts your spirit all around. Glory rising, pure and free. Heaven moves inside of me. Every soul, every cry shines your name across the sky. Glory rising, the rhythm builds, the crowd's alive. Your kingdom here, your fire revived. The ground is shaking, hearts ignite. Our praise becomes the morning light. From shore to shore, your truth resounds, a song of grace that knows no bounds. Your presence floods this holy space, our souls renewed by endless grace. The sky erupts in light and flame. Every breath declares your name. Glory rising through the night. Fill the world with holy light. Every flame, every sound lifts your spirit all around. Glory rising, pure and free. Heaven moves inside of me. Every soul, every cry shines your name across the sky. Rising, you lift me up where stars collide. I see your beauty magnified. The night grows still, but I'm awake. My heart renewed for heaven's sake. Glory rising, hearts unite, shining love and endless light. Every dream, every flame burns the echo of your name. Glory rising, pure and true. All creation worships you. Every sound, every cry glorifies the Lord Most high. Glory rising. The stars remain. The night is clear. Your glory rising ever near. A wave arise, the waters sing. I feel the pull of everything. The tide of love, the breath of peace. A sea of grace that won't release. The ocean shines, the stars align. Your spirit moves beyond the line. The shore is washed in holy sound. Your mercy flows, I'm glory bound. And everywhere voice is all I long to hear. Sea of grace, you carry me far beyond eternity. Every storm, every tide pulls me closer to your side. Sea of grace, deep and wide, heaven's rhythm turns the tide. Every sound, every hue sings of all you're bringing through. You calm the waves, you light the sea. Your endless love keeps carrying me. I drown in peace, I rise in flame, forever changed by your great name. Oh, oh, oh. Sea of grace, take control. You're the anchor of my soul. Every breath, every cry lifts my heart into the sky. Sea of grace, all I am rests within your perfect plan. Every wave, every hue sings of love that's always new. The sea is still, the light remains, I'm washed forever in your grace.